Hi students, in this video we are going to learn the chapter formulas, area and perimeter. Now we have taken some shapes. First shape, square. We all know that square, all the sides are equal. So they will be given one side to you. That side, let us take it as A. 5 centimeter square or 6 centimeter square, like that any side will be given to you. So all the sides will be equal. Now the area value will be, area formula will be side multiplied by side. Side into side is the formula for area. Perimeter means, perimeter generally sum of all the sides. We have to add all the sides. A plus A plus A, 4 times A we have to add. So we can say that 4 times side. So this is the value. Always area value you have to write with the square units, and the perimeter will be written with only the units. That means if the value is centimeter, the perimeter value also will be centimeter only, but area value will be square centimeter. Like that we have to write it. For rectangle, area formula. So rectangle, we all know that we have a different length and different breadth. Now area A we can say that. So L into B is a formula. When you are multiplying these two, we can get the area. Area means inside. Perimeter means outside. So outside means here also L, here also B. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle. So we have to add all the sides. That outer boundary is called perimeter actually. So L plus L, B plus B. That is 2 times L, 2 times B. So 2 will be taken as a common term. So 2 into L plus B is a formula. So this is units. This is square units. So area will be square units. Perimeter will be units actually. Triangle, area. So triangle. So I am just explaining you with the right angle triangle. Why we are taking right angle triangle means the line which makes 90 degree with the base is called height. The line which makes 90 degree with the base is called height. So this is your base. So this is your base and this is your height. This side will be the hypotenuse side, that we should not consider. For finding area, formula is half into base into height, square units. Since it is a area, square units. Perimeter I didn't write here. Why means perimeter is nothing but sum of all the three sides. Sum of all the three sides. It's general for everything. Perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides. So whatever measures given to you, that should be added. Sum of all the sides is a formula for all the figures. Now one more diagram, parallelogram. Parallelogram will be like this. Parallelogram. What is the area means? Here we have to draw the height. This is your base. This is your height and this is your base. So base into height is your formula for finding area of the parallelogram. Finally we are going to see the figure circle. Circle, we all know that we should know what is radius and what is diameter, then only we can write it. So from the center, the half line if drawn up to the circumference of the circle is called radius. If you are drawing the full line that touches the 2 points of the circumference, the straight line which passing through the center is called actually diameter. This is diameter. So we can say that 2 times radius. This side one radius, this side one radius. If you add, diameter will come to you. So diameter equal to R plus R, or 2 times R we can say that. If radius is 5, diameter will be 10 we can say that. So this is a value. Now in all the diagram we are call it as perimeter. But for the circle, we should. So area of the circle is pi r squared. So pi is nothing but, pi is a constant value. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. This is a value we have to use it in the place of pi. So pi r squared is a formula for area of circle, square units. Now the next one is a perimeter. But for the circle we should not use the word perimeter. We have to use the word circumference, because perimeter means sum of all the sides. It is a general rule. But we don't have any sides in the circle. We don't have any sides. We have only the arc. It's a long arc only we are getting. It is circumference. That is the name for the perimeter for the circle. So circumference of the circle formula is 2 pi r. This is a one way units. Another way, 2r can be written as 2r can be replaced as d also. So we can write it pi into d units. Like this we can write it. So both are correct only. For semicircle, the area will be, its half circle is called semicircle. Area of the circle is pi r squared. For semicircle it will be pi r squared by 2. That is half of the area it will be. This is square units, we can write it. But for perimeter of the semicircle we have to think over it. For the circle we don't have any center line because the whole circle will be taken. So only for this part we have to say the circumference actually. And this part from the center to the circumference is radius. From center to this circumference also will be radius only. To find the perimeter, the circle part should be added and this radius also should be added to find the perimeter. So only the shaded part will be, for the whole circle we know that it is 2 pi r. For the whole circle it is 2 pi r, but we have only half of the circle, so by 2 we have to write. This is only for the circle path, plus since it is a perimeter, this also will be added. So r plus r, it will be written as r plus r. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So pi r plus 1r will give you 2r we can write. From these two, r is a common, take it r outside. So the remaining will be pi. Here the remaining will be 2. So r into pi plus 2 is the correct answer for the semicircle. Units we can write it. If the question is given in centimeter, answer also will be centimeter. For area it will be square centimeter. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.